Hello, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing division. So we're going to do our worksheet, the Happy Chess Players. And the directions are divide to find the quotients. So remember, the quotient is the answer to a division problem, right? So the quotient is the answer to a division problem. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. The difference is the answer to a subtraction equation. And the sum is the answer for addition. So we have 27 divided by 6. So when I read this, I always read the bigger number first. And the larger number is called the dividend. And what the groups that we're creating, what we're dividing it by, is the divisor. So our dividend, our divisor, and our quotient is going to go on top. So I read it 27 divided by 6. I'm going to solve it on the whiteboard just so I have some extra room. And off to the side, I'm going to write 4 letters, and I know you know what they stand for. So it's our Does McDonald's Sell Burgers strategy. Let me make sure this all fits. And the D stands for divide, the M multiply, S subtract, B bring down. So we're going to start with divide. And always we ask ourselves, does the 6 fit into the 2? Absolutely not. In order for a number to fit into another number, it has to be bigger or equal to that number. The 2 is smaller or less than the 6. Okay? If you wear a size 6 shoe, you cannot fit your foot into a 2. No way. So then we're going to go over to the 7. We're going to do the full 27, okay? Does 6 go into 27? Absolutely. And now we have to figure out how many times. So what we're going to do, we're going to put out 2 fists, and we're going to skip count by 6s until we either get to 27 or a number greater than 27, okay? So we're going to go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, stop. Too big. What do? I put 1 finger down. I'm left with 4. So I'm going to put a 4 over the 7 because I divided 6 by the full 27. Now I'm going to multiply 6 times 4. 6 times 4. I'm going to count by 6s again. 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 4 is 24. And I'm going to place the 24 right under the 27. And then next on my list is subtract. So I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. What do? I put a 4 in my head and I count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Or I put 7 fingers up and I take 4 away. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. I'm not even going to bother putting a 0 because I don't have to. Okay, and my final step is B, bring down. Do I have any other number to bring down? I don't think so. So what does my 3 become? It becomes my remainder. Say remainder, remainder. We put R for remainder and a 3. So if I had 27 cookies and 6 students, and I wanted each student to get an equal amount, each student would end up getting 4 cookies, and I would have 3 left over for myself. All right, let's do the next one. Let's erase this. Oop, I have a meeting in 2 minutes. Okay, so the next one, 50 divided by 7. 50 divided by 7. This is my dividend. This is my divisor. Let's go. Does 7 go into the 5? No. 7 is greater than 5. It cannot fit. If you wear a size 7, you cannot fit into a size 5. Does 7 go into 50? Yes. So let's skip count. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Too big. I got to put a finger down. I'm left with 7. I put the 7 over the 0. Next, I multiply. 7 times 7 is 49. Put a 49 under the 50. Next, I subtract. I know 50 minus 49 is 1, but I'm going to regroup. So my 0 becomes a 10. I steal a 10 from the 5, which becomes a 4, and I'm left with 1. I have nothing else to bring down. Remainder 1. All right, so I did the first 2. You got the rest. You can do it. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember to write 10 spelling sentences. Bye.